LUOWAN Mini Dehumidifier Reviews. This LUOWAN Mini Dehumidifier portable small dehumidifier for wardrobe is a great way to reduce humidity in the air. The dehumidifier is also ultra quiet, so you won't be disturbed while it's running. It uses non-toxic crystalline silica gel technology and has a highly absorbent silica gel that can absorb excess humidity around the room. This is a dehumidifier that can be used to keep a small space dry. It is good for use in a wardrobe, dressing table, cloakroom, or shoebox. This dehumidifier is blue. This mini dehumidifier uses a special technology that quickly absorbs moisture from the air. It won't leak or make a mess, and it's safe to use.